Hello, everyone. Today, we are going to wake up our bodies with this routine that is beginner friendly that you can do from the comfort of your home. There are two segments. The first segment are 5 exercises that we are going to be doing using a chair. The fifth of these exercises, you guys, is a plank. So we are going to challenge our strength and we are going to engage all of these core muscles. The second segment is a cardio dance routine where we're going to improve our heart health, cardiovascular system, our circulation, our coordination, our balance, our mood, so many health benefits associated with a cardio dance routine, you guys. And guess what? It doesn't even feel like work. So without further ado, get yourself a chair, carve yourself out a little space, and in 10 minutes, we are going to improve our overall health and well-being. All right, guys, some pointers before we begin. Because we are seated, it's really easy to lose form and to collapse, okay, our spine, all right? So really pay attention and focus on sitting up, keeping these abdominal muscles engaged, pulled in back towards the spine, and always start with, and this definitely helps, to put yourself in proper form, okay? Lift these shoulders up, let them down as you exhale, and relax, you guys. So now everything is in proper alignment. Sit to stand and lower yourself slowly. Come up and squeeze these glute muscles and lower yourself slowly. And you guys, if you need to put some pillows behind you to elevate the seat, then you do exactly that. Just make sure that the cushions are stable. And last one, excellent work, okay. The next one, we are going to work our abdominal muscles. We're gonna work them in the front and we're gonna work our obliques. Arms up behind your head, arms out like a bow, crunch, and knee up, crunch, and opposite knee up. When you get this pattern, speed it up. Or if the knee is too much, you guys, you can definitely do this oblique by just twisting your body. See that? You got it. Last one. Nice work. Okay, the next one, we are going to work these quads. Up and extend out. And you guys, you will also feel these lower abdominal muscles being engaged too, so remember to keep proper form. A few more on this side, and we're gonna switch to the opposite leg. Last one, okay, switch to the opposite leg. And last one. Woo! Feel that burn? I know I do. All right. Let's work on these arms. Arms extended straight out, east-west. And let's do a roll. Forward. And then halfway, we're gonna reverse. I will cue you. Okay, stop. and reverse it. It's almost like these hands are pushing some water up. Nice work, you guys. Simple move, but so effective. Okay, arms down. Relax those shoulders. Okay, you guys, now for this plank. Do as much as you can. Everybody's fitness and strength level is different. Make sure this chair, if needs be, is up against the wall for stability. Hold those abdominal muscles in and hold this neck up and look straight out, you guys. So when you see me, you see a proper plank form. Do as much as you can. If you only can do 5 seconds, you do 5. With consistency, you will be able to extend that time. And I tell you what, you guys, I am shaking right now, and it is okay. I'm pushing myself through this. Nice work. A few more seconds, and we are at the finish line. Segment 1 done. Get the chair out of the way. All right, guys. 30-second break. If you need more time, press pause, get you some water, shake things off, okay? And join us right back here for the cardio dance segment. Bring me that march. And I love a cardio dance routine because you can bring your own vibe to it, you guys. Side to side. Okay, make some room. Okay, we're gonna move up and shake it out, you guys, and back. 4, 3, 2, 1, up. You got it. Okay, grapevine, and stay. Out, in, out, in. There you go. Step side to side, you guys. Come see me 4 times. Yes. Grapevine. And last one. Okay, step to side to side. Yes. Baby. All right, changing songs. We bring a little hip hop to it, you guys. Back in the day music. Yeah.
Coming in, flex. I just wanna win, LABB, who we running with, 2233, I'm on 10 again, state your name. Been dope on flame. I just switched the lanes.
What's your name, you guys? Leave it in the comments.
Stripping and dipping in bass, slab on everything. Swimming, shaking away.
Okay, switch sides.
Big racks coming, I put my low racks on it. I ain't skip past losses, I had to get back off it. See the fit lab on it until they whip my coffin. Money clip eyes tossed it, I heard it's big bags on big bags on big bags coming. Coming in, flex. I just wanna win, LABB, who we running with, 2233, I'm on 10 again. Pump up the action. I'm active. If he never heard of been dope, he's just napping. Jackson's off the rapping. Keep it on my body, bitch, I'm broke if you asking. Don't gotta sell him, most Cialis flawless. Broken whistles longer than this foreign. Heard you want it cause the game's enormous. What's in till she isn't gorgeous. Live my life, last name of Morgan Freeman. Trying to touch a forest, do not know when knocking on the door is. Came in, I came in, did it like the Porsches coming in. Flex, I just wanna win, LABB, who we running with, 2233, I'm on 10 again. Okay, alright. Coming in, flex, I just wanna win, LABB, who we running with, 2233, I'm on 10.
That was awesome, you guys. I just wanted to come back and quickly remind you to make sure you go out to my 5-minute segment workout playlist where you will find cardio, abs, arms, thighs, and you can build your own workout just as I did with this one. I took one from the cardio, I took one from the compound exercises, combined them and came up with this 10-minute segment. So you can do anything from 5 minutes up to whatever it is, okay, that you have the energy and time for, you guys. You can build your own workouts. I definitely want to encourage you to do exactly that. And as always, you guys, it is a great day. You continue to make it your own kind of special. I will see you all right here real soon. And thanks for joining me.
Flex, I just wanna win, LABB, who we running with, 2233, I'm on 10 again. Pump up the action. I'm active. If he never heard of been dope, he just napping. Jackson's